Alright, very good morning everybody. This is Vinu Venkatesh again on behalf of Sai Education for Comparative Examinations. Hope you guys are practicing and hope you are following what we did in our previous lecture on arithmetic progression. So today we're going to start part 2 of the lecture. It's going to be geometric and harmonic progressions. So let's get started. So geometric progression, as we saw, see in arithmetic progression, the difference between the consecutive terms is always equal. But in geometric progressions, that is not the case. What is the difference between arithmetic and geometric progression? In geometric progression, except for the first term, all other terms are obtained by multiplying the previous term by a common factor or a common number, or it is called the common ratio, right? For example, the second term here is 2. How did we get 2? It is 1 into 2. That is the first term into 2. Now look at number 8. It is the fourth term. It is obtained by multiplying the third term into 2. Similarly, 16 is obtained by multiplying 8, the previous term, into 2. That is called geometric progression, and it is written like this. Okay. So like arithmetic progression, there are formulae for calculating, say for example, the 10th term of this geometric progression. First of all, whenever you're given a sequence, identify whether it is arithmetic or geometric progression, because depending on that, you'll have to choose which formula you have to use. So see if it is arithmetic progression. 10 minus 5 is 5. Progression. 10 minus 5 is 5. 20 minus 10 is 10. 40 minus 20 is 20. So it is not arithmetic progression. Is it geometric progression? Yes. Look at the second term. Any relation between the first and second? Yes. 5 into 2 is 10. Okay. Third term is also like that. 10 into 2 is 20. Fourth term is also like that. 20 into 2 is 40. So it is geometric progression. So the formula to calculate the nth term is equal to A, which is the first term, into R, which is the common ratio, which you have to calculate, raised to n minus 1. So T10 is equal to 5 into 2, which is the common ratio here, into, raised to 10 minus 1, which is 9. You'll get this answer, 2560. Alright, number 12. So find the sum of the nth term from this series. So the formula is Sn, A, open brackets, R raised to n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. So substitute all the numbers and then you'll get 5115. If R is less than 1, then this is the formula we have to use. Here R is 2, so it is greater than 1, we can use this. But if R is less than 1, let's say if R is 1 by 2, then we have to make a slight change. It is A, open brackets, 1 minus R raised to n divided by 1 minus R. Okay, you have to memorize these formulae. Okay, number 13. The seventh term of a GP or geometric progression is 8 times the fourth term. What will be the first term if its fifth term is 48? Okay, let us write this down. So the fourth term can be written as this: A, which is the first term, into R, whole thing raised to n minus 1. N is 4, so minus 1. So this becomes AR cube. Similarly, the seventh term can be written as AR raised to 6. The fifth term they are saying is equal to 48. It can be written as AR4 in the same way using this formula. Okay. So when you substitute, then they are saying that the seventh term is equal to 8 times the fourth term. So 8 into AR cube, which is the fourth term. Okay. So we know seventh term is R to the power of 6, which is equal to 8 into AR cube. When you solve, you get R cube is equal to 8, therefore R is equal to 2. Now substituting this in this equation, which is the fifth term is equal to AR raised to 4 is equal to 48. When you substitute for 2 and then you solve for A, you will get A, or the first term, as number 3. And that is the correct answer. Okay. Okay, now harmonic progression. Okay. Harmonic progression is nothing but the reciprocal of arithmetic progression. Here also, now wait a minute, let me see. Okay, so it's the reciprocal of arithmetic progression. For example, find the 20th term of this series. Okay, so the formula is Tn, T20 is equal to 1 divided by A n minus 1 D. So what you have to do is simply first find the arithmetic progression. Okay, Tn you know is this. In arithmetic progression is A plus n minus 1 D, which is, just take the reciprocal. It is given as 3 by 5, 3 by 7. So in arithmetic progression, the series will be inverted. So it will be 5 by 3, 7 by 3, 9 by 3, 11 by 3 and so on. So A is 5 by 3, find D, then substitute in this formula to get T20 and then take the reciprocal of T20, which will give you the harmonic progression, the 20th term of the harmonic progression. Okay. Similarly, find the harmonic mean between 2 and 6. For that, you have to follow this formula. 2AB divided by A plus B, where A is 2 and B is 6. 16th is also similar, 17th is also similar. So with this, we come to the end of this topic on arithmetic, geometric and harmonic progressions. I hope you have followed the lectures. Keep practicing. All the best. Please do ask if you have any questions. Put it in the comment section. And take care and see you next time.